Hey class, welcome to Art Statistics 101. So we're going to start off today with abstract painting. So I just want you to tell me like the impact that my painting has on you. Like, is it strong? Let's just see this first one. So this canvas is really weak. So we're going to make a pretty weak painting. Wow, Wow. What does that look like to you? Like, it's pretty abstract. The dots look clustered to me. Well, let's see, what if we added another little stroke to it? They're pretty far away from that line, but that line's going up, and it makes you feel positive. That looks like a positive relationship of a painting. Wow.
Isn't the correlation below 0.5 because it's weak?
Very good. You didn't need to shout out like that, but I understand. Now, what if we did a strong painting that had a strong impact on you? Because this is pretty weak. Now, look at this. This canvas is strong and sturdy. Now, what if the lines were like this? Wow. Wow. Those are pretty close together. What if we drew a mark? And you see how the mark doesn't have to start in the corner? That's strange. But wow, look at how these dots are really close to the line. That looks like strong. And like Preston pointed out, thank you, these probably have a correlation of like 0.8 and above. I don't know, probably.
Isn't that linear?
Wow, thanks Preston. Okay, we're going to try something that's kind of different. We're going to do automatic, obviously. But it's a little less different than those were like the two opposite poles. So, wow, what about something, wow, that's weird. It's going in a whole different direction. See, if I start the line up here, kind of. Look at that, isn't that cool? Wow, that's a painting. But it's going down this way, so what does that mean? I think that means it's negative. But it's also a little farther apart. So, I don't know, that could mean a correlation of like, maybe 0.5 on the dot, or 0.6. That would be weird. So it's kind of moderately correlated. Wow.
So the other ones that went in the other direction were positive, and this one's negative?
Wow, thanks Preston. Okay. Yeah, and look, if I like add a bunch of these little dots everywhere, this doesn't even mean anything. There's a whole cluster of nonlinearness. So it's probably like below 5 or not even anything. So now that that's over with, let's talk about something else. Do you guys remember residual plots? Wow. I know you remember those. It's where you kind of turn the line of the thing on your calculator, and you get to see a different side of the plot. And there are different meanings to what the plot looks like. So, let's say we have this straight residual plot, and we have dots all along it. That would mean it's linear, and the dots are pretty close to that line. So this painting, I would say, is pretty linear. But what if we got really risky and did a curve? Wow, that doesn't look like a curve, but that would mean it's non-linear because, I don't know, it's a curve. And if we have a bunch of dots close and then they get to a megaphone shape, that means the X is not as strong as you thought it was. So, that's pretty much it. Bye. Wow!